kitchen sink drain, Drano and Metamucil mixture stuff. What? They mix Drano and Metamucil?
Guys, that's easy.
Oh, that look like some putty. $350 to get that shit out, y'all. Oh shit, y'all see that? It looked like putty though. Look, damn. What was they trying to do with the Metamucil? Did they think the pipes were gonna have diarrhea or something? Cause why would you put Metamucil? Cause that thickens up. How long did it take him? I think he took an hour or something to get that. I think did you see that? Did they think the drain was gonna have diarrhea? Y'all, did they think the drain was gonna get diarrhea? How much did they put down there? We'll watch that again.
Oh my gosh. Man, I'm telling you, guys, that's easy.